I'm in my garage now. I'm on a very, very special hunt for some mean green orange kick bucket machine grasshoppers, man. Oh, I put my shoes on the wrong foot. Hokey dokey, artichokey. Here we go, man. Representing. Here we go. That's my dogs barking, in case you might have heard them in the background. And time to go hunt. Time to catch some mean grasshoppers in the rain during daytime. Let me show you the grasshoppers I already caught first. Look at these monsters. Look at these monsters. See 'em? These monsters are off the chain. See 'em? Got one right there. See him? One right there. One right there. These monsters are awesome. I'm on my way going to catch some more. Here I go. Wow, crocking right. What a specimen we got here. So far, no sign of them in the rain. I'm no specialist, but I'm trying to find them. I've already caught 6. I might have caught one, Mike. Oh yes, and it's another small one, making it 7. Just catch them. I almost got it. No, I just caught another one. I hope these two didn't get out. Oh wait, I gotta catch this one that got out. Whoa, what a jumper. I gotta be really careful. I got him. This one ain't getting away from me this time. He got away. Wait. I see him. He's on the move. Got him. Got him. No. Get him. Get him. I got him back. Ooh, that was a lot of dirt. Let me go see if I can catch some more. Found another one. It's a green one. Got him. That was easy. I believe that's 8 now. the rest of them don't want to come out. But I guess. Bingo, I got a big one. Here we go. He on the move. It's a hopper. It's a hopper. He's on the move. He's hard to catch. He's putting up one heck of a fight. But I got him. I prevailed. I prevailed. You want to see him? Let me just find a clear enough grass, and you'll be able to see him. Hold on. That's 10 No, that's not. I called.
Why do you have
video case.
your video?